Hello, let's continue practice set 2.6 question 6. Mr. Kasam runs a small business of making earthen pots. He makes certain number of pots on daily basis. Production cost of each pot is rupees 40 more than 10 times total number of pots he makes in one day. If production cost of all pots per day is rupees 600, find production cost of one pot and number of pots he makes per day.
Question 6. Solution. Let
Number of pots per day Kasam makes equals X, and therefore cost of each pot equals cost of each pot is rupees 40 more than 10 times number of pots per day he makes, means it will be rupees 10x plus 40, and therefore from given information cost of each pot per day equals rupees, it tells us rupees 600, production cost per day 600, and we know that production cost equals number of pots per day into cost of each pot. Okay, and therefore equation will be x in bracket 10x plus 40, that must be equals 600. Now let's simplify this equation. Therefore it will be x into 10x gives us 10x square, x into 40 gives us plus 40x. On transfer of those 600 from right to left, we get minus 600, that equal to 0. Equation is completely divisible by 10, that's why dividing both sides by 10 we get, therefore x square plus 4x minus 60 equal to 0. It is in a form of x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now let us factorize product of a into c, means coefficient of quadratic term which is 1, constant term is minus 60, and the product is minus 60, and those minus 60 must be factorized such that their addition will be the coefficient of linear term, and coefficient of linear term here is 4. Yes, that's why minus 60 we may factorize as 10 6 plus 10 minus 6. Okay, and therefore it will be x square plus 10x minus 6x minus 60 equal to 0. Group of first two, group of next two. From first group we may take out x common, in bracket x plus 10. From next group we may take out minus 6 common, minus 6x divided by minus 6 gives us quotient x, minus 60 divided by minus 6 gives quotient plus 10, that equal to 0, and therefore in one bracket x minus 6 into another bracket x plus 10, that equal to 0, and therefore x minus 6 equal to 0, or x plus 10 equal to 0, and therefore x equal to 6 or x equals minus 10. But number of pots cannot be negative, and therefore x equals minus 10 is unacceptable, and therefore x must not be equal to minus 10, and therefore x must be equals 6, and therefore let's find 10x plus 40. 10x plus 40 equals 10 into 6 plus 40 equals 10 6 is 60, 60 plus 40 100, and therefore cost of each pot equals rupees 100, and number of pots per day. Kasam max equal to x, and value of x is 6. Question 7. Pratik takes 8 hours to travel 36 km downstream and return to the same spot. The speed of boat in still water is 12 km per hour. Find the speed of water current.
Question 7. Solution. Let
Speed of water current equals x kilometer per hour, and speed of boat in still water, which is given as 12 km per hour. Obviously those 12 must be greater than x, okay, and therefore resultant downstream speed of boat, okay, downstream means along flow of water current, resultant speed will be the addition of speed of boat and speed of water current, means it will be 12 plus x kilometer per hour, and the resultant upstream speed of boat equal upstream means in opposite direction of water current, and as there is opposition in speed, resultant speed will be 12 minus x kilometer per hour, okay, and therefore from given information, okay, from given information, as 36 km downstream that boat goes and again comes to its initial position in 8 hours, okay, means as we have speed equals distance upon time, and therefore time equals distance upon speed, and therefore 36 km downstream, and time required to cover 36 km downstream will be 36 upon 12 plus x, and to move 36 km upstream again, time required will be 36 upon 12 minus x, and total time to go downstream and again to come upstream, that is 8 hours. He tells us Pratik takes 8 hours to travel 36 km downstream and return to the same spot, okay, means that equal to 8. Now let's simplify this equation. Therefore, as denominators are not same, we need to cross multiply and to consider LCM of their denominators. 36 into 12 minus x plus 36 into 12 plus x upon 12 plus x into 12 minus x. Now here 36 in bracket 12 minus x plus 36 in bracket 12 plus x. Both these equations have 36 common. That's why we may write here 36 in bracket 12 minus x, 12 minus x plus 12 plus x, and those upon 12 plus x, 12 plus x into 12 minus x equals 8. Now minus x plus x will cancel each other, and therefore it will be like this: 36 into 12 plus 12 gives us 24 equals 8 into 12 plus x into 12 minus x. Now let's transfer those 8 from right to left, which is multiplier at right side becomes divisor at left side. That's why it will be 36 into 24 upon 8 equals 12 plus x into 12 minus x. 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 24, and therefore 36 into 3 gives us 3 6 are 18, carries 1, 3 3s are 9 and 1 10, 108 equals 12 plus x into 12 minus x. It is in a form of a plus b into a minus b, and expansion of a plus b into a minus b equals a square minus b square. Means here square of 12, which is 144, minus square of x means x square, and therefore let's transfer those minus x square towards left side, gives us x square equals 144 plus 108 from left side will become minus 108 at right side, and therefore x square equals 14 minus 8 gives us 6, and 3 minus 0 gives us 3, 1 minus 1 gives us 0. X square equals 36, and therefore x equals plus or minus 6, and therefore x equal to 6 or x equal to minus 6. But speed of water current cannot be negative, and therefore x equal to minus 6 is unacceptable, and therefore x must not be equal to minus 6, and therefore x must be equal 6. That is the speed of water current equals 6 kilometers per hour. 6 kilometers per hour. Question 8. Pintu takes 6 days more than those of Nishu to complete certain work. If they work together, they finish it in 4 days. How many days would it take to complete the work if they work alone? Question 8. Solution. Let number of days required to Nishu to complete a work alone equals x. Therefore, number of days required to Pintu to complete a work alone equals Pinto takes 6 days more than those of Nishu to complete a certain work. Means that equation will be x plus 6. Okay. Therefore, work done per day by Nishu alone equals 1 upon x. Work done per day by Pinto alone equals 1 upon x plus 6. And therefore, from given information, what is given information? Given information, if they work together, they finish it in 4 days. Okay, as they finish that work in 4 days, means work done per day will be 1 upon 4. But work done per day by Nishu is 1 upon x, and work done per day by Pinto is 1 upon x plus 6. Means work done per day by Pinto and Nishu and Pinto is equals 1/4 of that work. This will be the equation which we derive from given information. Now just to simplify this equation to get answer of question, and therefore as denominators are not same, we need to cross multiply them. Therefore the equation will be 1 in bracket x plus 6 plus 1 in bracket x upon x into x plus 6 equals 1 upon 4. And therefore let's simplify this equation. 1 into x gives us x, 1 into 6 gives us 6, plus 1 into x gives us x. Now x into x is x square, and x into 6 is 6x equals 1 upon 4. And therefore here at LHS unit, x plus x gives us 2x plus 6 upon x square plus 6x equals 1 upon 4. And therefore let's cross multiply. 4 in bracket 2x plus 6 equals 1 in bracket x square plus 6x, and therefore it will be 4 2s are 8x plus 4 6s are 24 equals x square plus 6x. Okay, now let's rearrange by exchanging LHS and RHS. Therefore equation will be like this: x square plus 6x equals 8x plus 24. Let's transfer those terms which are at right side towards LHS, and then we get, therefore it will be x square plus 6x minus 8x minus 24 equal to 0, and therefore equation will x square minus 2x minus 24 equal to 0. Now coefficient of quadratic term is 1 into constant term is minus 24, their product is minus 24, and those minus 24 must be factorized such that their addition will be the coefficient of linear term, which is minus 2. Yes, 6 4s are 24 minus 6 plus 4, because we want addition negative, and therefore it will be x square minus 6x plus 4x minus 24 equal to 0. Group of first to group of next to. From first group we may take out x common, therefore in bracket there will be x minus 6. From second group we may take out 4 common, 4x divided by 4 gives us x, minus 24 divided by 4 gives us minus 6, that equal to 0, and therefore x plus 4 into x minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore x plus 4 equal to 0 or x minus 6 equal to 0, and therefore x equal to minus 4 or x equal to 6. But number of is required cannot be negative, and therefore x equals minus 4 is unacceptable, and therefore x must not be equal to minus 4, and therefore x must be equal 6, and therefore x plus 6 equals 6 plus 6 equals 12, and therefore number of days required to Nishu to complete a work alone equals 6, and number of days required to, second is Pintu to complete a work alone equals 12. Question 9. If 460 is divided by a natural number, quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor and remainder is 1. Find quotient and divisor. Okay. Question 9. Solution. Let the divisor equal to x, and therefore quotient, it tells us about that quotient. It tells us that if 460 is divided by a natural number, quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor. Quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor, means quotient will be 5x plus 6. Okay. And remainder, he tells us remainder which is 1, and dividend means a number which we used to divide by divisor, and it tells us that 460 is divided by a natural number, means dividend is 460. We have interrelation between dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. We have, what have we? We have dividend equals divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, and therefore let's put known values. Dividend is 460. Consider the divisor is x into quotient 5x plus 6 plus remainder is 1. Now let's simplify this equation. Therefore 460 equals x into 5x gives us 5x square, x into plus 6 gives us plus 6x plus that 1 as it is. Now let's exchange LHS and RHS, and therefore it will become 5x square plus 6x plus 1 equal to 460, and therefore 5x square plus 6x plus 1 minus 460 equal to 0, and therefore 5x square plus 6x plus 1 minus 460 gives us minus 459 equal to 0. Now it is in a form of x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We need to factorize product of a into c such that their addition will be the coefficient of linear term. Means 5 into minus 459 should be factorized in such a way that their difference would 6. First of all, let's find prime factors of 459. 459 addition of 4, 5, 9 is 18. As it is odd number, it is not divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3. Then 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15 and 3 3s are 9. Again it is divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 ones are 3. Again it is divisible by 3. Let's write them. 3 ones are 3, 3 7s are. Okay. And then 17 ones are 17. Okay. Now let's group them, or first of all let's write those as 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 17. Now we need to split them in such a way that their addition will 6. Okay. Group of these two gives us 9. 9 5s are 45 and 17 3s are 51. Difference between 51 and 45 is 6. But we want that difference positive. That's why smaller factor will be negative. That's why minus 45 and 51 will be the factors. And therefore equation will 5x square plus 51x minus 45x minus 459 equal to 0, or we may rearrange again. Let's exchange position of plus 51x and minus 45x, because 5 and 51 they do not have anything common, but 5 and 45 they have common 5. That's why let's rearrange it as 5x square minus 45x plus 51x minus 459, that equal to 0. Group of first two, group of next two. From first group we may take out 5x common. 5x square divided by 5x. 5 ones are 5, x ones are x, gives us x behind, and minus 5 9s are 45 plus 51 we may take out common, therefore there will be in bracket 51x divided by 51 gives us quotient x minus 459 divided by 51. 51 9s are 459, that's why it will be minus 9 equal to 0, and therefore 5x plus 5 into x minus 9 equal to 5x plus 51 into x minus 9 equal to 0, and therefore 5x plus 51 equal to 0, or x minus 9 equal to 0, and therefore x equals minus 51 upon 5, or x equal to 9. But minus 51 upon 5 is not a natural number, and therefore x equals minus 51 upon 5 is unacceptable, and therefore x must not be equals minus 51 upon 5, and therefore x must be 9, and therefore 5x plus 6, 5x plus 6 equals 5 into 9 plus 6. 9 5s are 45, 45 plus 6 gives 51, and therefore x is divisor, therefore the divisor divisor equal to x and value of x is 9 and 5x plus 6 is quotient. Quotient is equals 51. Question 10th. In the adjoining figure, quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium AB parallel CD and its area is 33 square centimeter. From the information given in the figure, find the lengths of all sides of the quadrilateral ABCD. Fill in the empty boxes to get the solution. Okay, it tells us that question 10 solution. It tells us that quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium such that AB is parallel to CD. And area of quadrilateral ABCD is 33 square centimeter. Okay, and using those blanks or steps given as an activity, let's find its solution. Quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. AB is parallel to CD. Area of quadrilateral ABCD equals half into AB plus CD into box. Quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. We know that area of a trapezium equals half into sum of the lengths of parallel sides into height. Okay, here parallel sides are AB and CD and height is AM. That's why area of quadrilateral ABCD equals half in bracket AB plus CD into height, which is AM. And next step, area of quadrilateral provided as 33 square centimeter. That's why at a place of area of quadrilateral ABCD, he wrote 33 half into value of length of AB is x and the length of CD is 2x plus 1 and length of AM in diagram he has shown as x minus 4. Okay, now 1 upon 2. 2 is at the denominator of RHS, it will be the multiplier of LHS. 33 into 2 gives us 66 equals x plus 2x gives us 3x plus 1 into x minus 4. And therefore, first of all, let's try to simplify it here. Therefore, it will be 66 equals 3x into x gives us 3x square. 3x into minus 4 gives us minus 3 4s are 12x. Now let's multiply each and every term of second bracket by 1. 1 into x gives us plus x plus 1 into minus 4 gives us minus 4. And therefore, it will be like this. If we transfer all these terms towards right side, we are going to get at LHS 0. 0 equals 3x square minus 12x plus x gives us minus 11x and minus 4 minus 66 gives us minus 70. Okay, and therefore equation will be 3x square minus 11x minus 70 equal to 0. Okay, now let's erase it, which we wrote there as extra steps. Let me erase it out. Okay, now it is in a form of x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We need to consider product of a and c, means what? 3 into minus 70. 3 into minus 70 should be factorized such that their addition will coefficient of linear term, which is minus 11. Yes, 3 into minus 70 gives us, gives us 7 3s are 21 minus 210 minus 210 must be factorized such that their addition will minus 11. Yes, 21 tens are minus 21 plus 10. Okay, means it will be like this. Therefore, 3x square minus 21x plus 10x minus 70 equal to 0. Okay, now group of first two, group of next two. From first group we may take out 3x common. By taking 3x common, 3x square divided by 3x gives us x, and 21 minus 21x divided by 3x, 3 7s are 21 means minus 7. By taking plus 10 common, 10x divided by 10 gives us quotient x, minus 70 divided by 10 gives us quotient minus 7, and therefore 3x plus 10 into another bracket, x minus 7 equal to 0. Therefore 3x plus 10 equal to 0, or x minus 7 equal to 0, and therefore x equals minus 10 by 3 or x equals 7. But length is never negative, therefore x must not be equal to minus 10 upon 3, and therefore x must be 7, and therefore AB is x, and value of x is 7. Unit provided is centimeter. CD equals 2x plus 1. CD equals 2x plus 1 equals 2 into 7 plus 1. 7 to the 14 plus 1, 15 centimeter. AD equals BC. AD and BC here shown by identical marks, that's why AD equal to BC, and each will have length x minus 2 equals 7 minus 2, and 7 minus 2 is nothing but 5 centimeter. Thank you.